Hello dear students, welcome to Chatay Coaching classes. We have started your new chapter, that is polynomials. In previous video lecture we have seen what is meant by polynomials and types of polynomials based on the terms. Three types of polynomials are there based on the terms. First one is the monomial, second is the binomial, and third is the trinomial. Monomial having only one term in it, binomial having two terms, and trinomial having three terms in it. Now today we will see degree of polynomial in one variable. Do you know what is degree of polynomial? Suppose I will write an example like 2x raised to 3 minus 7. Then what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 3. Why 3? Because you can see here are the two terms and degree is 3 only. Here is the variable is single itself. Therefore degree is 3. This is called as degree. The highest power of the variable is the degree of polynomial. The definition of degree of polynomial is the highest power of the variable is the degree of polynomial. Now I will give you one more example. 2x raised to 7 minus 5x is equal to 9. If you will compare the powers, then powers are 7. Here is 1 and 1. The highest power is 7. Therefore 7 is the degree of the polynomial. We are looking this for the degree of polynomial in one variable. Single variable is there. The variable is x. What if there are two variables? We will see that degree of polynomial in more than one variable. Firstly, understand the degree of polynomial in one variable. The definition is the highest power of variable. It's called as degree of polynomial. You can see here is one variable, same variable, that is x. The highest power among this variable is 7. Therefore 7 is the degree of polynomial. Now we will see degree of polynomial is for more than one variable. The highest sum of powers of variable in each term is the degree of polynomial. We will see the example. I will write here 3 m power 3 n power 6 plus 7. Okay, now what we have to do, the highest sum, so we have to take the sum of the powers of the each term. So we will sum the powers for the first term are 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and here the powers are 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Which is the highest power? Highest power is the 9. Therefore 9 is the degree of the polynomial. Why? Because if there are more than one variables are there in the given polynomial, then add the degree of the polynomials for each term. We have added for this term 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. We have separately added for this term 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the highest addition is 9. Therefore 9 is the degree of polynomial. Very simple it is. Degree of polynomial in one variable. The highest power of variable is the degree of variable. You have to just look at the powers. Whatever the highest power will be the degree of polynomial. Secondly, if there are more than one variable, then you have to add the polynomials, you have to add the degrees for each of the term in the polynomial, and the highest addition will be the degree of the polynomial. Now we will see the types of the polynomial by the degree. In the last video, in the previous video, we have seen the types of polynomial by the terms. Now we will see the types of polynomials by the degree. Okay, first type is linear, second type is quadratic, and third type is cubic. Linear, quadratic, and cubic, these three are the types of polynomials by degree. Okay, by degree of the polynomial. Okay, linear having 1 degree, cubic degree is 2, and quadratic degree is 2 and cubic degree is 3. See, linear polynomial is having degree 1. Standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b and coefficients are a and b, whereas a cannot be equal. A is the non-zero number. Okay, in linear polynomial we will see each type separately. There are total 3 types: linear, quadratic and cubic. We will see the first type of polynomial by degree. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is a type of polynomial having degree 1. The degree is 1 polynomial called as linear polynomial. The standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b and coefficients are a and b, whereas a cannot be equal to 0. We will see the example for this. Examples are 3x minus 1, 7x. You can tell me the degree of this is 1, nothing is 1. So degree is 1, therefore such type of polynomial is called as linear polynomial. We will move towards the second type, that is quadratic polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is 2, called as quadratic polynomial. Standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. Coefficients are a, b and c. A is the non-zero number. A cannot be equal to 0. Quadratic polynomials are the type of polynomials where degree of polynomial is 2. We will write examples: 2y square plus y plus 1. Here you can see degree of the polynomial is 2. Therefore, such type of polynomials is called as quadratic polynomials. Okay. We have seen quadratic polynomial degree is 2. Standard form is x square plus bx plus c. Coefficients are a, b, c, whereas a cannot be equal to 0. And third and last type is the cubic type of polynomial. In the cubic type of polynomial, the degree of polynomial is 3. If the degree of polynomial is 3, then it is called as cubic type of polynomial. Standard form is x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and coefficients are a, b, c, d, whereas a cannot be equal to 0. This is cubic type of polynomial having degree 3. If any polynomial having degree 3, then it is a type of cubic polynomial. The example is, I am writing x raised to 3, x raised to 2, that is x square plus 2x plus under root of 3. You can see here the degree is 3. Therefore, it is called as cubic type of polynomial. What is meant by degree? If we are comparing this, these are the degree. Okay, these are the polynomials in one variable. Here is y, so variable is only y. Here is x, the variable is only x for the whole term. Therefore, for this, the highest, what we can say, the highest coefficient or highest power is the degree. Therefore, if we compare the powers 2, 1, 1, the highest power is 2. Therefore, 2 is the degree. Therefore, this is of degree 2 quadratic. Here you can see there are so many degrees: 3, 2, again 1. Okay, but if you can see 3 to 1, 3 is the greater number, 3 is the highest number. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is 3. And if degree is 3, it is called as cubic polynomial. Today we have seen types of polynomial. First is linear, second is quadratic, and third is cubic. Linear polynomial having degree 1, quadratic polynomial having degree 2, and cubic polynomial having degree 3. I have written the standard forms and coefficient over here. We have seen degree of polynomial in one variable. The highest power of variable is called as degree of variable. We have seen here the highest power is 3. Therefore, 3 is the degree of variable. Here highest power is 7. Here is 1 and here is 7. 7 is the highest. So, 7 is the degree of polynomial. But if there are more than one variables, then the highest sum of powers of variable of each term is the degree of polynomial. We have to sum the powers for each the term. For this term, we will sum the powers. 3 plus 6 is 9 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So, the highest sum is 9. Therefore, 9 is the degree of the polynomial. And after that, we have seen the types of polynomials by degree, that is linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear having degree 1, quadratic having degree 2 and cubic having degree 3. Write down this in your notebook. In the next video lecture, we will see standard form, coefficient form and index form of polynomial. Thank you.